So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and now you want to expand system, and now you want to expand current control set, and now we're going to click on control. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the control folder. I'm going to make this a bit bigger so we can see the names. You want to find SVC host split threshold in KB. Double click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to make the value data 8, and then you want to put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to put it 8 and then put 5 zeros after that, and then click on OK. And now once you've done that, we can now close out of this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. And now once you're on this, it's going to be showing all the applications that automatically start when your computer turns on. You want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start automatically when your computer turns on. So in my case, when my computer turns on, Microsoft Edge automatically turns on. And I don't want it to do that because it takes up system resources and I don't even use it. So I'm going to turn this off. You want to repeat that for all the applications that you don't want to start when your computer turns on. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then your processes and threads are going to be reduced.